So what you can do is try some other effects in the color correction folder, such as change color or change to color, and just find out what they do on your own time. However, what I want to do and what I want you to do is save the work that you've done so far. So what I'm going to do is copy and paste this file. So I'm going to keep it in the timeline, and I'm going to do Command C and Command V and paste it, and there it is again with the effect. So I'm going to take out leave color. So the leave color is in the first file but not the second one. Okay, this time what I want to do is I want to tint the Eiffel Tower, leaving the color in the rest of the movie. So what I could do is grab the tint and put it in that clip, and immediately it creates a black and white file. So the black maps to black and the lighter areas map to white. So it just is black and white. But what I want to do is click on here and make it a little bluer. Okay, so it would look like that. But I don't want the whole thing to be blue. So what I have to do is basically mask out the Eiffel Tower. So I'm right here at the beginning of the clip, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So here it says fit to the screen. I'm going to zoom in to, let's say, 200%, so I could see it a little better. And I want to mask out the Eiffel Tower. Now before I had an effect where I added a blur to a child's face, and I then tracked it over time. I won't use that circle. I'm going to use the drawing tool and draw kind of a mask around this Eiffel Tower. So, you might need a few dots here. And so it's a very simple mask. I could add more dots to it and pull it over and kind of grab it and replace it a little. Okay, and form it around the Eiffel Tower. Okay, you don't have to be too precise about this, but you notice as soon as I closed up my mask that the blue exists now only in the Eiffel Tower and the rest of the scene turns the correct color. Okay, so let's zoom back to fit. Okay, and instead of playing this, what we're going to do is track it. We're going to track the mask, so I'm going to play the track selected mask forward arrow and play that. Okay, so we saw here that the mask follows the Eiffel Tower quite well, and notice that it even gets a little bit smaller. It's not perfect, but you get the idea. So it drifts a little bit near the end because the scene itself gets a little blurry near the end, so it's having a hard time tracking that. But near the beginning it tracked very well. Okay, so that effect was tint, and I'm masking that tint into the Eiffel Tower.